I would say that this thing is truly remarkable as a production machine. I thought I would move on to the real test that was going to prove whether this thing could work for me. And that was to lay down a bead with my metal at room temperature and see what the temperature went to after a weld. I knew I could weld one little place and then cool it down if I needed to. So after welding a corner, I went from 50 degrees and it climbed up to about 124 degrees Fahrenheit or 51 Celsius for your metric people. Well, now what was the other option if I didn't have the laser? And that was to TIG weld this thing. Now with TIG welding, you really have to pour the heat in to saturate the heat into that aluminum before you get a puddle that'll actually work. So get our saturation going, run our bead about the same length as we did for the other test, stick our thermometer on there, see what kind of temperature we get. Well, it just climbed past 124 degrees and climbing fast. Well, we're 100 degrees over that and still climbing. And popping out about 255 degrees. Well, let me tell you, that's too hot. That's gonna like melt our foam away and probably set our fiberglass on fire. So we know the laser's gonna work, especially if we can just keep cooling it down after each joint.